Hello, Documenter. Welcome to your quick guide on generating a document from a HubSpot object. Let's make this process super easy and enjoyable. First things first, you'll want to clone the template found in the documentation. This is your starting point. Once that's done, it's time to connect HubSpot to Documint. Just click the button to access Documint's app in HubSpot's marketplace. Go ahead and install the app, give it the necessary permissions, and connect it. Next, let's hop back over to Documint. Head to API keys in your account settings. Create a new API key for HubSpot and give it a name that feels intuitive to you. Back in HubSpot, navigate to Integrations, then click on Connected Apps. Find Documint, head to General Settings, and click the Add/Edit API key button. Simply paste your API key in the pop-up and make sure to save your changes. Now, open up a contact in HubSpot and launch Documint's app, which you'll see at the bottom of the right panel. Choose the template you just cloned, select the record you want, and preview your final document. After double-checking that everything looks good, activate the template and hit the Generate button. And there you go. You've just created your very first document. You can find it in the Notes section, safely stored in the attachments. Great job!